evening, namaskar, adab, hello, happiness. Hey, hey, aha, aha, hey, hey, aha. मेरा नाम A.K. रहमान है. I have immense pleasure to welcome each one of you tonight because this is a very special evening. Ladies and gentlemen, the RPG Annual Awards 2020 and I am so excited to be here because aap sab superstars hai. You all have proved that you are the best in the business. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey which started in 1979 by Sri Rama Prasad Goenka has added happiness to countless lives. And this group has spread its wings far and wide, putting a smile on many, many faces. And ladies and gentlemen, tonight is the time when we celebrate our success, and it's time to raise the bar and time to celebrate all the hard work we've done. So it's time to tell ourselves just one thing. Let's win the fight. Let's win the future. Ladies and gentlemen, apne liye ek baar zordar taaliyan. Come on, everybody. Okay, I'm going to show you an audiovisual which is such an amazing one. The people featured in this audiovisual are our own RPG employees. Very special one? Take a look.
News should be bright, bold, adventurous, brave, ambitious, innovative, flexible, progressive, inclusive, empathetic, nimble, curious, fun, motivating. News should be anything but normal. That's why a permanent work from home policy. That's why innovation is in our DNA. Win the fight, win the future. RPG, hello happiness.
Hello happiness. In fact, innovation is indeed in our DNA. Ladies and gentlemen, हम आज यहाँ पर history create करने वाले हैं. And just look at it, everybody out there doing their bit. And of course, that's the reason we are shining bright as the stars. चलिए देखते हैं आज की शाम में क्या क्या है. You know what? We will do so many things. Entertain करेंगे, awards, rewards, recognition, and of course we're going to play a whole lot of games with you. For now, I'm going to test what your IQ is. चलिए थोड़ा सा game खेलते हैं. It's very simple. You know what? It's called as the quiz game. All right? Let's start the quiz game. Alright, how does this happen? I'm going to explain this to you, but it's simple. I'm going to ask you questions. Now what you have to do is, you have to click the correct answer. It's like the multiple choice आप KBC में नमस्कार स्वागत है आपका कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में. It's something like that. And I'm going to ask you questions. आपको press करना है यानी click करना है on the answers and submit. And we'll figure out whether you got it right or you didn't get it. And अगर आपको सही जवाब मिलता है तो you're going to be winning some great prizes. All the very best. तैयार हो जाएं? Let's get ready. Let's start off with our first question. आपका पहला सवाल ये रहा. Here it comes. In which year did RPG? In which year did RPG? Okay, for a second, what I'm going to do is, all right. मैं सोच में पड़ गया था कि मैं सवाल आपसे पूछूं या आपको तैयार होने का मौका दूं. तैयार हो गए? Let's get started. All right. In which year did RPG Group launch its brand tagline, Hello Happiness? All right. In which year did RPG Group launch its brand tagline, Hello Happiness? आपके options हैं June 2018, May 2018, March 2018 या August 2019. Your time starts now. Tak tak. Tak tak. Tak tak. Tak tak. I like this. We're just getting the options. जवाब दीजिए. Press and send. Let's see who's going to get it right. And the poll is on. We'll get to know how many of you have got it right How many of you? 10. All right. We're getting there fine. We're getting there loud and loud and loud and clear. Okay. इंतजार है आपके जवाबों का. समय निकलता जा रहा है. Wow. How many of you playing this? How many of you giving the answers? Give me the right answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Well, there you are. Okay, the right answer is May 2018. Congratulations if you got it right. Very well done. Okay, a lot of people unfortunately got it for August 2019, but the actual answer is May 2018. That's the correct answer. Okay, let's go on with our next question. Let's have the next question, and the next question is Brazil is the world's largest exporter of Brazil is the largest. Okay, now what we're going to do is, guys, you need to listen to this. Brazil is the largest exporter of coffee, but Dalgona Coffee, which took the internet by storm during quarantine, finds its origin in which country? Okay, I'm going to repeat the question. Hear it very carefully. Brazil is world's largest exporter of coffee, but Dalgona Coffee, which took the internet by storm during the quarantine, finds its origin in which country? The answers are, your options are South Korea, North Korea, Australia, or Brazil. Go on. Your time starts now. Here we go. समय निकलता जा रहा है. Ladies and gentlemen, आपके जवाबों का इंतजार. बहुत कोशिश कीजिए कि आप सही जवाब दें. You've got 4 options: South Korea, North Korea, Australia, or Brazil. Brazil. Come on, you're gonna give us the answers. I've been waiting. इंतजार कर रहे हैं. क्या आपको सही जवाब पता है या आपको सही जवाब पता है? We're waiting. All right. And oh boy, there you are. We've got a whole lot of people thinking it's South Korea. Well, it is the right answer. Congratulations. Very well done. मतलब आपको तो सारे जवाब पता है. This is brilliant. I like it. Okay, quiz is hitting the rooftop. We're loving everybody who is intelligent and giving us the correct answers. Here we go. अगला सवाल आपकी स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. Which is the only RPG group? Which is the only RPG group? Understand this, दोस्तों, ये आपके लिए सवाल बहुत ही important है. Which is the only RPG group company outside Japan to have won the Deming Prize for TQM? Which is the only RPG group company outside Japan to have won the Deming Prize for TQM? आपके options हैं KEC, Raychem, Seat, or Zensar. Well, you know the answer? Give us the answer. KEC, Raychem, or is it Seat, or is it Zensar? समय शुरू हो चुका है. Come on everybody, give us the correct answer. The time is running away. आपके जवाब हमारे पास आ रहे हैं. हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि आपके जवाब सही मिले या फिर सही मिले. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty. We're waiting. Press the option and give us the correct answer. And oh boy, that is massive. We've got a whopping number of people telling that Seat, in fact, Seat is the only tire company outside Japan to win the prestigious award. Congratulations! Very well done. You know, ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत feeling है कि we've got whole lot of people who are intelligent, who know about the company, and I have to tell you this, आपसे हमें गर्व है. यानी आपको देखकर हमें ऐसे महसूस होता है कि we are so proud of each one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so proud to be hosting this event, and हमेशा मैं ये अरमान रखे था कि AK रहमान कभी किसी दिन आपके शो को होस्ट करे, because मेरे करियर के लिए बहुत ही हाई पॉइंट है. I have to tell you the reason. It's because the RPG group always believes in making a difference to the society. Touching lives, spreading happiness is a part of their DNA. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this short video, because this will touch your heart and touch your soul. Take a look. Indeed, we're going to be winning the future. This actually touched my heart. दोस्तों, pandemic was a challenge, is a challenge, will be a challenge, but the way the RPGians are doing, it's making a difference. It's touching lives. बस एक ही चीज याद आ रही है. गोरों की न कालों की दुनिया है दिल वालों की। हर एक दिल वाला जो आरपीजीएन है मस्ट बी प्राउड ऑफ दिस। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अपने लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां। कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी। ओके, अब क्या होने वाला है? There's going to be something special, you know. We've been talking about this. It's something which wherever you are, आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहेंगे, खेलेंगे, and it's going to be very, very addictive. It's called as Play Tambola, and I'm not going to do this alone, all right? I have my very dear friend Suman Chalani, who is a gorgeous, beautiful, super talented Miss India Intercontinental 2018. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियों से let's welcome her. Here we go.
Finally, the evening, finally the time has come. We all had been waiting for. RPG, my family. I'm so excited to meet you all. And you know
यार
what?
आप कह रहे हैं जिसका हमें था इंतजार, जिसके लिए दिल था बेकरार, वो घड़ी आ गई। आपसे मिलने की घड़ी आ गई दोस्तों। लेट्स प्ले तंबोला। तंबोला कैसे खेलने वाले ये सब?
बहुत बहुत ज्यादा आसान है। सबसे पहले आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन। क्या आपकी टिकट्स तैयार है? टिकट्स तैयार है?
सारे तैयार है। आपकी टिकट तैयार है? आपकी
यस 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 यस, आई कैन सी सबकी
तैयार है।
टिकट्स जो है तैयार है। प्रिंट आउट जो है आपने निकाल दिया है, मैन्युअली आपने जो है टिकट्स को ड्रॉ कर लिया है। आज हम खेल रहे हैं प्राइजेस के साथ। सबसे पहला जो हमारा प्राइज है दैट इज अर्ली
जल्दी
5।
फाइव। ये कैसे होता है? जल्दी फाइव कैसे होता है?
जल्दी 5 मीन्स आपकी कोई भी टिकट में कोई भी 5 वर्ड्स, कोई भी 5 नंबर कट हो जाए तो आपको क्लेम करना है अर्ली 5 के लिए। एंड देन वी हैव
फर्स्ट लाइन कैसा है? आपकी टिकट में जो ऊपर वाली लाइन है ना, ऊपर वाली, हाँ उसके
First line.
सारे नंबर्स कट कर लेना। दैट्स फर्स्ट लाइन।
एब्सोल्युटली। सेकंड लाइन मींस जैसे ही हम लोग अनाउंस करते जा रहे हैं वर्ड्स, आपको जो है आपकी टिकट में कट करते जाना है। तो सेकंड लाइन के सारे वर्ड्स कट हो जाएं तो आप जीत सकते हैं एक बहुत ही शानदार प्राइज।
एंड थर्ड लाइन भूलना मत, बिकॉज़ ये आखिरी लाइन है दोस्तों। आखिरी लाइन के सारे नंबर्स कट हो जाए तो कट कीजिए आखिरी लाइन के सारे नंबर्स। एंड आप हमें भेजना है। कैसे भेजेंगे, कहां भेजेंगे वो बताएंगे, लेकिन फुल हाउस का कैसे?
फुल हाउस जो है भाई बम्पर हाउस है।
हाय
क्या है बहुत ही जल्द बताएंगे। लेकिन अगर फुल हाउस मीन्स आपकी कोई भी टिकट में सारे वर्ड, सारे नंबर्स अगर कट हो जाएं तो बस आपको क्लेम करना है फुल हाउस के लिए। यू नो व्हाट एके, मेरा आरपीजी परिवार मुझसे पूछ रहा है हाउ कैन वी क्लेम?
मैं भी पूछ रहा हूं, हाउ कैन वी क्लेम?
यस, इट्स
सवाल का
वेरी
जवाब।
सिंपल, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। आई विल अनाउंस अ नंबर, आपको जो है उस नंबर पे यू हैव टू व्हाट्सएप एंड मेंशन योर टिकट कोड नंबर एंड व्हिच प्राइस यू आर क्लेमिंग फॉर। फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी टिकट पे लिखा हुआ है AKR, सो जस्ट मेंशन
मेरा नाम
Look at him, look at Okay, in case if your ticket code number is AKR and you're claiming for the first line, you have to mention AKR first line, AKR second line, AKR third line of full house that you have. All right, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. The number is 8879998839.
एक और बार सुन लीजिए। द नंबर इज 8879998839। आपको इस पे भेजना है बस वो 3 डिजिट या 4 डिजिट कोड, उसके साथ किस प्राइस को क्लेम कर रहे हैं। जस्ट मेंशन दैट, सेंड इट टू अस एंड वी विल चेक इट लाइव हियर। यानी आप स्क्रीन पे दिखाने वाले हैं।
बिल्कुल, हम यहाँ पे लाइव जो है खेलने वाले हैं। यू कैन सी इवन द टाइमिंग्स एंड साथ ही साथ यू नो व्हाट, मुझे किसी की आवाज आ रही है।
किसकी आवाज?
नंबर कौन सा था? एक बार फिर से जो है अनाउंस कर देते हैं नंबर, कौन से नंबर पे आपको क्लेम करना है आपका प्राइस।
8879998839। All right, so let's get started. Go. All right,
let's begin the show.
By the way, जब तक सुमन सेट करने वाली, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, प्लीज अपने टिकट्स को तैयार रखें एंड अपने व्हाट्सएप को तैयार रखें, बिकॉज यू नीड टू सेंड योर क्लेम्स राइट हियर। ऑलराइट सुमन, मैं एक्साइटेड हूं। आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस, मजा आने वाला है। लेट्स गो ऑन। ऑलराइट,
तो चले, ऑल द बेस्ट एवरीवन। स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा आज का तंबोला एंड ऑल द बेस्ट एवरीवन।
ओके लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हियर वी गो। मैं बड़ा एक्साइटेड हूं।
Me too.
कौन जीतने वाला है? ऑलराइट, और आरपीजीएंस कहां है हिंदुस्तान के कोने-कोने में। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हियर वी गो। लेट्स ऑन। Ta-da-da. All right, go on, guys. Let's go on with this one. 36, 3 and 6, 36.
Ah, that is apne. You know, if there is apne in your ticket, please strike it off. Apne is all about
Togetherness. It's
Yes.
ours. It's ours. You all are ours. 26,
Yes.
36. यानी 36 का एक बात बताना. I have to
Yes.
tell you this. 6 6s. IPL is around the corner. 36. If you've hit 6 6s or you loved it, 36 is yours on your ticket. Go for the next one.
The next word that we have here is
8 and 7. 87. It's a phoenix.
Wow.
You know what a phoenix is?
Of course, yes.
Like-
but you know what? When I feel this, the amazing environment that we have,
Uh-huh.
you know, अगर आपकी ticket पे है, if you have Phoenix in your ticket, bus strike it off.
Go on, rise like a phoenix. It's all about success. It's all about going and fighting it out.
Moving
Phoenix.
on to our next number, and the word that we have on your screen is Sita.
Wow.
Diwali is round the corner. We are celebrating Diwali, and somewhere I can recall Ramayana. But however, if there's Sita on your ticket, number 5 and 5, 55, just strike
Bachpan,
it off.
5 and 5, 55. करिए आपके टिकट पर ये स्क्रैच है, कट कीजिएगा. All right, let's go on with the next one. Okay.
Next here we have is
What do we have here?
RPG tagline, which was I think there was a quiz, right?
Yeah, yeah.
In
and-
which year? That was 2018 May, right?
Yes, you got it
Yes.
right. You get a prize. And हमारा
Right.
ढेर सारा प्यार है. Hello, happiness. If you've got it, number 7, scratch कीजिए, cut कीजिए. All right, strike कीजिए. Let's go on with the next one.
Number 3, the first day of Diwali that we have is Dhanteras.
Very auspicious, right?
Very auspicious. It's all about dhan, dhan, dhan. बस आप जिंदगी में जो है आगे बढ़ते जाओ and let's celebrate Diwali together. And this is what here we are for, right?
Absolutely.
RPG,
Dhanteras
and-
Mubarak.
RPG annual awards, and we have so many prizes to give it to you all. Moving on to our next number is 79, 79, and on your ticket it's 1981.
1981. Okay, what is it special about? What
You know
is-
what?
Huh?
1981, I remember RPG acquired Seat Tires of India.
Wow.
That's so amazing. Seat परिवार जो है हमारे परिवार में जो है स्वागत हुआ था. अगर आपकी टिकट में है 1981, just strike it off.
Strike it off, strike it off.
All
Ladies and gentlemen,
right.
जल्दी फाई किसी का हुआ है? Send it on our number. We are waiting. We're just waiting कि किसी ना किसी को prize मिले. Let's go on with the next one. Here we go.
Next number is 2 and 2, 22.
All right. 2 and 2, 22. This is something very important.
22 kahan hai claims? Yes, if you have finished Jaldi 5, that means if you have done and if you have striked early 5, any 5 words, numbers, just claim on the
हमें
number.
बताएं दोस्तों. SAE. Let's go on with the next one. Here we go. 8 and 9, 89.
Congratulations to all winners we have here. Badhaiya. You know what? It's an achievers night today. We are celebrating, and I can see so many achievers here. And more than that, the beauty is I can actually feel the hard work, the
Absolutely.
dedication, the efforts that you all have put
You know,
in.
Suman, I have to tell
Yes.
you this. यहाँ पे जो भी है, whoever is around there, he's an achiever. He's really worked hard, you know, raising the bar, contributing to the organization,
Absolutely.
and making the organization proud of that person.
Superb.
All right.
So congratulations once again. If you have Badhaiya on your ticket, don't forget to strike it off. and
89.
claim.
Badhaiyan, badhaiyan, badhaiyan. Let's go
check
on.
If there is any claim, no,
No, there's no claim. We're just
no.
going to get that on the screen. And the next one is Oh.
Next one is sapne, which means dreams.
dreams. All
You know
right.
what? We all have dreams, and somewhere we have actually achieved it by all the hard work that we have put in. You know what? What is your dream, AK?
My dream is to give happiness to people around. I mean, you know, just looking at the video before we came
Uh-huh,
in, that video touched me. देखिए ना कितने सारे लोगों को. It's about touching people around,
Yes.
and there's no other victory or there's no other happiness apart from
Absolutely.
that smile on everybody's
Absolutely.
face. Let's
So
go.
if you have dream, if you have sapne on your ticket, just strike it off.
All right, Sapne, strike कीजिएगा. Well, we're waiting for Jaldi 5, and if you have only 5 numbers cut, then show it to us. All right.
Correct.
Let's go for the next one.
Gratitude. You know, actually, we are filled with gratitude by your presence
24,
today.
amazing.
So 24, if the number is there on your ticket, and gratitude, you know, you're always filled with gratitude. And we
Absolutely.
have such an amazing family with us today, RPG Parivar. So if you have gratitude, strike it off. Moving on to our next word and number.
Oh, number 4 and 141. It is RPG Life Sciences. This is something you have to talk about. RPG Life Sciences. You know, I really like this because everybody out there who's a part of this team is such a performer. You know, just being a part of that spells this nice little aura which says that we care for you.
We care for you and we can do it.
Yeah.
Whatever target we have, wherever we want to reach, we can do it. That's the spirit that we
Absolutely.
have in.
All right,
Absolutely.
let's go to the
Like
next
that.
one. Here we go. Oh,
March 1st, that's my favorite day.
kya hua? Why are you smiling?
I'm so happy.
But why?
I'm so happy. You know what?
Uh-huh.
March 1st, we celebrate RPG Happiness Day.
Oh,
Yes, it is the birth anniversary of our Shri R.P. Goenka sir. So it's all about happiness.
All right.
Celebrate March 1st as RPG Happiness Day.
okay. I'm just going to add this, you know, just for the fun of it. 83 is another very important year because we won the World Cup. All right, you know,
Absolutely.
we amazing. Kapil Dev ने वो trophy उठाई थी in Lords. What a moment that was. अगर आपको याद है, proud moment. All right.
The next number on your screen is number 8, and that is Nishchay.
All right, Nischay, 9 and 8, or rather, single number 8, it's Nischay, and I think I have something on my screen. And okay, let's see who's this.
We have claims. आपको जो है, you have to mention your ticket code number and which prize you are claiming for. May I
Alright.
request everyone. Okay. We have first 5 claim,
Oh.
and that is on the ticket TDT.
देखते हैं क्या आपका जवाब सही है. We're gonna look at this and we're gonna figure out whether you've got the correct answer. Here is the try. Let's go on. It's TDT. That's your code, TDT. And if you have it right, and if you've got the first Jaldi 5 ka inam, you're gonna be winning this. All right, let's see.
Woohoo! That's
Congratulations, TDT. You are the one who's got it first. Oh boy, this is amazing. Yeah, we're loving this. Okay, we've
Okay,
got
one
another
more. We have one more prize.
Uh-huh.
One more. Okay, so the prize will be shared between two. Let me.
दिल की धड़कनें बढ़ रही है and we just waiting. हम इंतजार करें कि कौन जीतने वाला है. I'm really loving this. Okay.
Okay, so early 5 on ticket code KHN, that is Kilo Hotel November, and early 5 is absolutely
Correct!
correct.
Congratulations and celebrations. All right, congratulations. Very nice. You know, no back-to-back prizes. This is amazing. Do we have another one? Oh, okay. We've got something else. Jaldi 5 is done, and we've got.
Okay.
Okay.
And the ticket code number is TRR.
TRR. Okay,
Alright.
let's take a look at this. TRR. TRR. Is it your ticket? आपकी ticket है? हाँ, मुस्कुरा रहे हो. Oh, okay, let's take a look at this. क्या आप जीतने वाले हैं? या okay, आप.
That's absolutely correct. as
Congratulations!
well.
We've got 3 early 5s. Very well done, guys. Congratulations. You know what, Suman?
Yes.
हमने जल्दी 5 तो कर लिया है. But what we lose, we'll take a little break
Okay.
right now.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा इनको ना, you know, they're getting into the mood. I
Okay.
just want them to relax,
Absolutely.
get ready,
Absolutely.
have a little refreshment, come
and
back
come back to us.
and play with us. So, Suman,
Come on,
you're
yeah.
going to take a little breather and come back.
You know what? I'll take थोड़ा सा little break and I'll come back very
But
soon.
jaldi aana, we're going to be
बहुत
missing
जल्द.
you. We're going to be missing you, all right?
You have to keep your tickets ready, and we'll be joining back.
All right, thank you. Let's give a round of applause for
Thank you.
Suman. Thank you, Suman. Thank you. You've been a
Thank you so
great
much. Thank you so much.
host. And what we'll do is, दोस्तों, कहीं मत जाना. I have to tell you this. The fun is just begun. कहीं मत जाना. Stay right here because I am right here. A.K. Rahman आपको छोड़ के कहाँ जाने वाला है? Because I am ready to have more with you. Tamola is going to be back and you're going to be winning a lot of prizes. जल्दी 5 3 prizes जीत लिया आपने. वाह, वाह, वाह. Because you're the best. You're the best. You are the best. Of course, you are the best. अब एक काम करते हैं दोस्तों. Let's go on with something which is Taqdeer ka game. This is something where destiny plays a very big role, and I'm loving this because here is where you need to do this. I have a wheel, and the wheel is gonna spin. It's called as the spin the wheel, and somebody's gonna win and get lucky. Are you the one? Computer जी, हम चाहते हैं कि आप spin the wheel game को शुरू करने के लिए पेश करें वो wheel and let's get it spinning. Here we go. All right, you've got your numbers. सारे numbers तैयार है. If you've got it, थोड़ा सा इंतजार क्योंकि व्हील आने वाली है और जैसे व्हील आएगी आप देखेंगे कि वो नंबर जो आपके पास है वो आपको जिता सकता है for prize. So let's get ready and get started. Are we all ready? 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 Hey, 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 hey. Are you ready? Okay. अगर आप तैयार हैं, what are you waiting for? Computer G, get the spinning the wheel ka wheel right now on the screen. Here we go. Woohoo! Alrighty. Number 32. Who is now? I'm going to check in my computer. Number 32. Whose name is this? Number 32 is Vinod Rajguru Singh. Congratulations! You are a winner. Very well done. You know, luck कैसे साथ देती है. It's such a beautiful thing. And ladies and gentlemen, Vinod, कहाँ हैं आप? We're going to take a party from you. All right, let's go on with another one. Computer G, let's get the spin the wheel one more time because we're going to spin it one more time so that, let's see, somebody's going to get lucky. Let's get it. 721, congratulations. Who is 721? एक minute, huh? Let me just check in my system and all right, 721, the lucky one who's won this is Charlene Gaur. Congratulations, Charlene. Very well done. एक बार तालियां हो जाए Charlene के लिए. Is I love music and I think Yashraj Kapil was brilliant. I think what a performance, you know. Oh my God. उन्होंने याद दिला दी. He just made us feel that there was Kailash Kher around. And what a beautiful, beautiful performance. Thank you, Yashraj Kapil, for that brilliant performance. And ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready. We've got the second category of awards, the best company from across RPG Group. Now, this is something which you love, all right? I am ready. Are you ready? Okay. An organization that has rediscovered its potential in a short span of time. A great team of highly motivated people with progressive industry practices and meticulous focus on operating and sales metrics. Achieved EBITDA growth that is highest in the peer group, sharp bounce back in revenues, growing 14% year on year, highest PAT and PAT margin from operations in the history of the company, and with a PBT growth of 150%, emerging into a different trajectory altogether. Ladies and gentlemen, the awardee is RPG Life Sciences Limited. Please give a big round of applause. Award goes to Yugal Silky.
Award for the Best Corporate Performance 2019-20 presented to RPG Life Sciences Limited. A big round of applause.
Very, very much.
Mr. Yugal Sikri, absolutely elated, and I loved the thank you speech. Thank you very much. So you didn't miss out on anybody, and I think this is a great achievement. And you know, it's a moment of gratitude. And when you work hard and when you've achieved something, it becomes so much more special when you share it with your team and your family members. And What a moment it is. And it's time for me to welcome Mr. Sachin Nangaonkar, President Specialty Sector, for his speech. Let's give him a big round of applause, everybody.
Led to further margin expansion. I once again thank RPG Enterprises and wish everyone in the group a happy and safe Diwali.
Brilliant. What a fantastic team. Ek baar zordar taale. Come on, everybody. Let's give a big round of applause. Okay, now I want you to sit back, relax, and pay attention. Because now is the time where we will have the best moment. It's time for me to welcome the man who, besides being an inspiration for all of us, has always led from the front. And he is the architect of countless success stories at RPG Group. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming with a big round of applause our chairman, the one, the only, Harsh Goenka.
My congratulations to R.K. Das, Yugal Sikri, and Kaushal Kodesia, and the very motivated team at RPG Life Sciences for the very well-deserved awards. I'm sure all of you and your families are very proud and happy on your achievements. Your outperformance is a shining example of your perseverance and the commitment to RPG and the values we stand for. I hope that you continue in this journey and win laurels for yourself and your companies.
All right, there you are. Thank you very much, sir. That's been so much of inspiration. And you know what? This evening is a blockbuster evening. It's like the Oscars, and I'm celebrating your success. And thank you very much for having us here, because we're loving every bit of it, getting inspired and being a part of your family. Thank you so much. And